anything
That'll help.
anything that non-white people do in any area of activity is supposed to be connected with the intention of replacing the system of white supremacy with the system of justice. This is the best way to nail it down. Any move that you make should be, in your mind, connected with replacing the system of racism with the system of justice, with the ultimate purpose of people finally having a world that is run on the basis of quality relationships between people in all areas of activity. Universal man and universal woman. Those two distinctions. That is the ultimate goal. So sexual intercourse, going fishing, going boat riding, studying something, physics, going to the moon and back, all should be connected with helping to replace the system of white supremacy with the system of justice, including sexual intercourse. You have to keep that in mind. How is this going to help to replace the system of white supremacy with the system of justice and ultimately produce, through an evolutionary process, the universal man with the universal woman doing all quality work throughout the universe?